When it comes to talking about emotions, I think most of us Kiwi blokes are reasonably reserved. So, we try to keep them to ourselves a little bit. My experience with depression kind of started in my late teens. Back then, I guess, there was a stigma about it. Most people didn't talk about it, really. And so I battled through and I didn't do anything. In 2010, one day I was just in the office, just by myself, and I just found myself in tears. I didn't really know why, apart from feeling really overwhelmed. Before that, for a couple of weeks, I'd been dry reaching in the morning, feeling really crook, just not wanting to go to work, really, not knowing particularly why. There's no specific reason, just lots of things. Asking for help, I guess the key thing was talking to a few people, and I had a young family at the time, so I wanted to make sure I did the right thing. And talking to some of our people team, they suggested talking to EAP, the Employee Assistance Program. So I went along, and the first meeting wasn't that much fun at all, asking all types of questions about your life. So in terms of pressures I was putting on myself, I was building a new business. I felt like we always had to be moving forward at full steam. It's just high quality, making sure things are delivered on time, wearing the pressure when something goes wrong, even though you can't control it. And I personally need stress as well to perform. I was trying to get that balance in there right, but the key thing I learned was how I dealt with the stress. To get back on track is a bit of a journey, really, and it can take a while. For weeks, when I started back part-time, you can be physically exhausted. Mental stress can physically drain you. So you can't rush back into things too hard and fast. So in terms of building your resilience, you can change how you behave and react to certain situations and stress. It's been a constant journey. 8 years on, I still look back at some of those things and make sure I know the things that I'm weak in. I know where I have to keep putting the focus on. Even though I'm an engineer, the experience I've had has kind of made me feel passionate about changing some things in terms of mental health and wellness. It underpins our core part of our business in terms of our engineering business. Now that I'm out on my own in a smaller business, we also run a business, Workplace Wellness, which is focusing on raising awareness, letting people talk openly about mental health and wellness, and also really focusing on resilience and the resilience model, letting people understand that you can change and grow in your resilience.